अस्सलामुअलैकुम, फातिमा ज़हरा मलिक here from FZM Boutique Fitness। और आज मैं आपके साथ अपनी टॉप एक्सरसाइजेस शेयर करूंगी। तो अगर आप घर पे हैं, आपके पास कोई इक्विपमेंट नहीं है, नो प्रॉब्लम, we're still going to get you super fit। I'm joined by the lovely Tuba। How are you? Alright, perfect guys, let's get started, let's go। So सबसे पहले तो of course warm up करना बहुत जरूरी है। So Tuba, we can just start with some nice and big arm circles, mobilizing the main joints of the body, and then we're gonna go for some of these swings. Gentle, nice pace, arm swings. Keep breathing. Opposite arm to opposite leg. Inhale, exhale. और अगर ये आपके लिए बहुत advanced है, you can't lift your leg up, no problem. You can also just do this nice and big movements. Okay, let's go into the circuit. One of my favorite moves is the squat. Okay, core is engaged. It's like she's sitting back and stand up. Exhale, and let's do that one more time, and up, and maybe we can do it sideways, so facing me and going back and down. Very nice. A front squat and jump up, so down and up. Face the camera. Let's do it facing the camera and up. Fantastic. So going down in that squat and just jumping up to get some extra calorie burn in, and rest, relax. Your leg is gonna burn, but that's exactly what we want. And then we're on all fours over there. So abs are working, arms are working, everything is engaged. Okay, the burpee. I love burpees. Jump back, jump in, stand up, clap overhead. So super simple burpee, no push up, jump back, jump in. Over here we're looking for speed. Why do I like the burpee so much? It's a plank, you come in, it's a squat, and there's a jump as well at the top. Alright, perfect. If that is too advanced for you, you can always use an elevation. So by elevating yourself, the burpee does become easier. So for example, let's say I can use the squat rack, I just jump back, jump in, and come up. Or you can walk back, walk in, and come up. So simply walk back, walk in, and stand up if you don't want to do that jump. So that is our burpee. Okay, perfect. And the last and final move that I'm going to show you guys is the jumping jack, which we do a lot of. Because it's efficient, it's easy, everybody can do it. Alright, can we just demonstrate? Perfect. So, like you can see, arms are going all the way up above her head, and then she's tapping her sides. And you can rest over. Great. Okay, so those are our jumping jacks. Another variation that I really like in terms of those jumping jacks are flying jacks, because you're hitting more muscles in the body. Can we just show them the flying jack? Boom, 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 and rest. Okay, at the end, I'm going to just show you two of my top stretches. First of all, the shoulders. So interlace your hands behind your back and just drop forward. Okay, I like this one because you're opening up those shoulders, because we do a lot of planks, burpees, bear, and of course, you're stretching the hamstrings, the lower back, and the legs. And we come up, and second favorite stretch is the quad stretch. You can hold on to something. So what's really, really important over here is not to check your balance, it's to stretch that quad. And by holding on to something, you can really push that leg back to get a greatest stretch right here. Alright, perfect. And there you have it. Your warm up, your workout, and your cool down. Comment below, tell us how you liked it, whether or not you did it. We do 3 to 4 rounds of this, 5 rounds of this, you're easily burning 500 to 600 calories. It's super, super efficient. Take care and keep following me on FZM Boutique Fitness and Fatima Zahra Malik, and of course, The Independent. High five, good job. Woo!